Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will see the WH question words. We usually use WH question words to ask for information about the time, the place, the reason, etc. So let's check them into details. What is used for the object? For example, what is this? What is this? This is a ruler. Who is used for the person? Person. For example, who is that boy? This is Tom, the new student. We use where for the place. For example, where are you from? I'm from Casablanca. When is for the time. For example, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on April the 9th. Which for the choice? Which for the choice? Which one do you prefer? Coffee or tea? Well, I prefer tea. Why? For the reason. Reason. Why are you crying? I cry because my leg hurts. We use whose to ask for the owner. For example, whose car is this? Whose car is this? This is my father's car. How can be used for the manner or the state? How are you? I am fine. Or for the manner, how do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How old? Of course, is for the age. For example, how old is Jessica? She's 14. She's 14 years old. How many is for the quantity, countable. For example, how many balls are there? Well, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balls. How much is for the quantity which is uncountable? For example, how much water do you drink? I drink a lot of water. How often is used to ask for the frequency, meaning the number of times we do something. For example, how often do you work out? I work out 3 times a week. Well, we use what for object, who for the person, where for the place, when for the time, why for the reason. Whose for the owner, which for the choice, how for the manner or the state, how old for the age, how often for the frequency. For the quantity, we use how many and how much. How many for countable nouns, nouns that we can count, like apples, like books. How much for uncountable nouns, nouns that we cannot count, like water, like milk. Well, that's it. I hope it's clear for you. If you have any other questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.